Welcome to the Image Optimizer settings in InstaWP. Here, you can see the benefits of image optimization, including WebP conversion, smart compression, and size reduction. Click the magic login button to access the WordPress admin panel so we can check an unoptimized image. Once redirected, navigate to Posts and select All Posts from the menu. Hover over the Hello World post and click View to see the live post. Right-click on an image within the post and select Inspect to check its current file size. Notice the original file size is 523 kilobytes. Now return to the InstaWP Image Optimizer page. Enable the Image Optimizer and WebP compression by toggling the switches to optimize images. Log back into the WordPress admin panel using Magic Login to view the changes. Go to Posts, then All Posts once more. Now view the Hello World post again. Right-click on the image and select Inspect again. The file size has been reduced to 174 kilobytes, a significant improvement. Back in InstaWP, let's explore more optimization options. Enable Minify CSS and Minify JavaScript for faster loading of your site. You can also customize image quality settings for desktop and mobile devices using these sliders. Finally, set maximum image widths for different devices to further optimize bandwidth use.